Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to remove background noise from mic on Windows 11. First method is click Start, Settings, click Sound, click More Settings. Click Recording tab, select Headphone or Mic, click Properties, click Levels tab. Change microphone levels to maximum, microphone boost to plus 10 dB. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Sound, click More Sound Settings. Click Recording tab, select Headphone or Mic, click Properties, click Advanced tab. Uncheck Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Recording Audio. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.